Hi, it's Steve Rosenbaum, and I want to share with you another very cool marketing automation trick. And this is something that, if you follow me, I track everything. And if I send an email to somebody, even out of my personal email, I want to be able to track it. I want to know if people received it, if they opened it, and if they clicked on it. Now, I want to show you a very cool way that you could literally spy on the people that you send emails to find out if they are reading and clicking on what you send them. Now, for instance, let's say you want to send an important document to somebody, or let's say that you were trying to get a new client and you sent them a proposal, and you want to know, did they look at the proposal you sent them? Did they open your email? Did they look at the proposal? Or let's say you're sending an affiliate offer to somebody and you want to know, did they click on the link? Did they look on it? Okay, and you're sending this from your personal email. This is not for masses. This is just like one-on-one communication. Let me show you a very cool way to do this with this new product called FunnelTrax. So here's what we're going to do. There's two things we're going to track. We're going to track if somebody opened the email, and we're going to track on whether they clicked on a specific link. And we're going to do this on an email we send out of Gmail. And you could do this on any email platform that you might use, but I'll show you with Gmail because I've come up with a few very cool hacks to get this done. So here's the process basically. Let's say, and I'm going to send this to one of my email that I never use. I'm going to send this over to, let's just say, here's one I never look at, Steve at steverosenbaum.com. This is where all my junk email goes, and I never look at anything that comes into here. All right, and I'm going to send this from my personal Gmail. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate email tracking with FunnelTrax. Okay, that's the subject of my email. And the first thing you need to do is we're going to insert a one-by-one transparent pixel. Now, I've created this image. I've uploaded it to my server. You'll need to do the same. I'll show you how in the full instructions. I'll show you how to do this. I'll even give you the one-by-one pixel. You could just put it anywhere you want. But I've already done that. And one of the problems with Gmail is that it doesn't naturally allow you to insert HTML code. But I found a cool Chrome plugin, and it's right here. And let's see, I forget what this is called. But again, I will put that in the full instructions. I will tell you this plugin that I'm using here. But I insert HTML, and look what happens here. I've created this little snippet of code, and that's how we're going to do that. Now, I've already created a one-by-one pixel, and this is how I'm going to insert that in there. But there's a step I have to do first. I have to go into FunnelTrax, and I have to make a new link. So we're going to go to New Campaign and New Link. And I'm going to say track. Let's say mail track open Steve Rosenbaum, and then I'll put today's date. Now, I'm just using this naming mechanism like this because if you do a lot of emails, you could just do the same thing and just change the name of the person you're sending it to and the date. And this is how you're going to know the specific email. If you need to put something else behind that, you could do that also. For the permalink, we're just going to copy this and put the same thing here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab that link of where we put that invisible pixel. So I'm going to, hang on one second, let me get that from my other screen here. Here it is right here. This is where I put the invisible pixel. So there that is. That's the invisible pixel. And we create the campaign. All right, now, here's the link that FunnelTrax is making for us. We're going to take this link. Now remember, what this does is this redirects to the invisible pixel. So we're going to copy that link. And now we're going to go over here to where we're inserting the HTML. We're going to edit this. And this is regular HTML that you probably recognize. This just says display a picture. Well, the picture it's going to display is going to be that new link that we just got. So we're going to delete that and paste that in here. So now what you're seeing is this is the FunnelTrax redirect that goes to a 1x1 invisible picture. And we're opening, and we're going to update this. And we're just going to click on this because now it has inserted that line of code right here. We don't see it. I'll give it a return just to do this. Now, let's say we want to send them over to a proposal that we've uploaded to the web. Now for that, I'm just going to use my website. So we're going to create a new link. By the way, let's just copy this name here. Okay. And we're going to create a new link, and this time we're going to call it Mail Track Click Steve Rosenbaum. 015, well, today's date anyways. Okay, I'm going to put that there. And now, let's say that I'm just going to take you to my website, but this could be any URL. So what I would do is, if it's a proposal, I would take the proposal, I'd upload it to your server or Amazon S3 or something like that. And I'm just going to take you over to my website, officefunnelmastery.com. All right, and we're going to create the campaign. And once again, it's going to give us another link. We're going to copy that. All right. Now we're going to go over here, and in our email, we're going to say, please review my proposal. And we'll make this a link, and we're going to put this right here. And we're going to say OK. All right, so there we are. And we're sending this to steverosenbaum.com. The invisible link is in there, and we're going to send it. Now let's go back to FunnelTrax for a second. You see that I already have some stats here for the invisible pixel. And the reason why is because I haven't cleared my cookies. So let's, I don't know if I can refresh the stats. So what I'm going to do is, let's just remember, let me refresh the screen. Let's go to links. All right, now here's what we're looking at. Now remember, you'll see that this is at 2 and 1. When I click on it again, we're probably going to see the clicks go up. The unique might not go up because it's the same machine that I've been using for testing purposes. But we're expecting this to go up from 2. And if I click on the link, certainly we're expecting this to go up from 0. So this is how we're going to track it. And we're going to keep an eye on things to make sure. Now you're not going to have this problem when you're sending emails out to a lot of different people, because for them, they don't have the same issue that we have, where we're using the same machine for testing purposes and it's getting confused. If they see that pixel, it's going to go up. All right, now let's go over to our email program. And it's getting my new email. 1 second here. All right, so here's the email, demonstrating email tracking with funnel. I haven't clicked on it yet. Now I'm going to click on it for the first time, and it says, please review my proposal. And let's just open it up just to make sure. Okay, I open it up in a new screen. So now I have opened this email. Let's go back to FunnelTrax and see what happens if I refresh the screen. Go to links. Look at that. It went up from 2. Okay? It probably went up the first time when when it just downloaded, and now that I double-clicked and opened it, it went up to 4. So now we know. We're tracking it. Hey, we know he opened and read it. Bingo. That's step number 1. Now, I still haven't looked at the proposal, so let's check on that. So please review my proposal. Click on here, and it goes over to my website, which I obviously typed wrong, officefunnelmastery.com. I did. This is wrong right here. Okay. All right. So that's a redirect problem on my end. I just I fat fingered it. But let's see what happens when we refresh here. Over to links. Boom. There you go. You have successfully tracked email opens and clicks with FunnelTrax. How cool is that? Just think of the vital information you're going to be able to get. Literally snoop on the people that you send these emails to be able to track them one-on-one. You've never really been able to do that from within your personal email program without having to go out and subscribe to an expensive monthly plan. Now you can do it directly within FunnelTrax. Now FunnelTrax does a lot more than this. I'm literally putting into every part of my funnel. I'm going to be building out some very sophisticated funnels, and I'll be demonstrating that. So two things. Number one, if you don't have FunnelTrax right now, it's just been launched. It's at the lowest price you're going to see it. I would snatch it up. And if you have clients, I would definitely get the agency version, because this is a service that you can provide to your clients, and they could pay you back money each and every month. You will quickly recoup your investment. So I would certainly recommend that. If you want to get more detailed information about what I just did, I'm going to go ahead and do the step-by-step of everything that I did here, and I'll gladly send that to you. I'll even send it to you for free. All you have to do is give me your email address below, and I will send you that information as soon as it's ready. I'm going to be putting that together over the next few days. All right, this has been Steve Rosenbaum. Go grab FunnelTrax. It's an awesome product. And thanks for following me. And tune into Office Funnel Mastery. You'll see much more about how I use marketing automation to really improve business for myself and others. Have a great day. Bye-bye.